countdowns is this huge debate. Should you use countdowns on your YouTube videos? Should you use countdowns on your Facebook videos? Do they actually help? Do they benefit the viewer at all? Let's talk about that pretty quickly. So for my church, we use 10-minute countdowns for our services. This gives people a chance to hop on live and communicate with me in the chat. Now, I've done some testing. Countdowns are not good for Facebook. Don't use countdowns if you're going on Facebook. I was talking with someone named Reagan on Instagram about this in the DMs, hanging out in the DMs. And they said that they stream to both YouTube and Facebook, and they actually use little movies and, like a trailer or something in their video as a countdown, which I think is a great idea. Maybe you can put a countdown over your praise and worship while it's going on. Who knows? But should you be using a countdown at all? On YouTube, I found countdowns are very beneficial. It gives me a chance to get people engaged in the comments, get our regular viewers engaged. And that's important because new viewers usually don't hop on unless the regular viewers are already on. Then YouTube will see that the regular viewers are eating up the content and share it. So what we do is we live stream with a 10-minute countdown, share it, give people a chance to hop on, pray with people in the chat, and then go live. And then after the live stream, we remove the 10-minute countdown, which makes total sense. If you are doing anything with your services before your services on YouTube, go in and cut that out afterwards. There's this trim function. If you wait about an hour after the video's up, maybe longer, then you'll see this little, if you go down to the editor, if you see the save button in the top right-hand corner, it'll be right there. Then you'll know that you can save the video and it'll just remove the countdown, keep the views. Make sure it keeps the views, because if you remove the countdown, it'll keep the views, it'll keep the average view duration, all the SEO already in it, but it'll make sure that the new viewer's view of the video is a whole lot better and more worth the watch. So if you're gonna do a countdown, I highly recommend doing that. But I wanna know what you think. Should we be using countdowns? Let me know in the comment section below. I'd like to do more videos on this in the future, so give me your thoughts, give me your ideas. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.